Welcome to Viniterra, where luxury living meets incredible lifestyle here in New Kent.
And today we're going to give you a look at these beautiful amenities so you can see how it makes this community so special.
Over $3 million has been invested in resort-like amenities designed for how you live, like this beautiful clubhouse. And a fully equipped fitness center that makes staying active easy and convenient.
And just outside, you'll find 2 tennis courts and 2 pickleball courts, perfect for a casual match or a little friendly competition. And when it's time to unwind, the pool offers one of the best views in Viniterra. Overlooking the 18th hole, it's the perfect place to relax, soak up the sun, and take in the beautiful golf course scenery. Whether you're spending the afternoon with friends or enjoying a quiet evening by the water, this is resort-style living at its finest. And right at the front of the community, you'll find one of our favorite gathering spots in the area.
From estate wines to local brews, it's the perfect place to relax and connect. And if you're looking for something a little more low maintenance, Viniterra Villas offers a refined, easy lifestyle right here in the community. Priced from the mid-600s, these homes are thoughtfully designed for comfort, efficiency, and everyday living.
With year-round lawn care, irrigation, and landscaping all taken care of, you can spend more time enjoying everything Viniterra has to offer.
From everyday amenities to incredible experiences.
Viniterra truly has it all. Come see for yourself.